I'm doing this video. See how fast the wind's blowing? Look at the trees shaking. I have chased this cardboard right there all over this yard, out there trying to work to get it into bed and finish up between rain showers. So now I'm hiding behind the house. And believe me, I don't think this is gonna work, but I'm trying. What I'm trying to do now is finish up my bed behind me over there. But just wind and rain, I'm a little behind schedule, and it's put a bad whipping on me. What I'm going to show you how to do. Most anybody can get the tape off cardboard. It's no biggie. The quickest way in the world I have found to get these labels off is just take your razor knife, cut about a 1/4 inch away from it, peel it up, and close your knife when you cut a finger off. There's your label. It's gone. Do not put this in your garden with that on there. You'll be out here for a month trying to get this stuff out of your garden. Not only the labels, if you look, it's trying to get it started where I can show you. All right, there it is. It's got strings in it. You see the threads? You need to get all that off, every bit of it. Go around checking. Take your time, because this will save you a lot of headaches down the street. Now, I'm not going to spend the day doing that. Sometimes, see where I took all the labels off? This is sometimes you'll go into a big store like Walmart, Sam's, whatever, and you go to the bottled water section where they sell water. A lot of times they have this right here between the layers of water. As water sells, they'll take these and put them on the side. Well, I was lucky enough to get a hold to about 5 of them. I have this one and one more on the ground. This makes it easy. It's so big. To cover, you can do it quick. It don't take hours of cutting, and it's fast. It really is. Now I'm gonna turn this camera off and try to get something done out there. I'll walk out and show you. When I get in that wind, it's gonna be bad, really bad. I'm trying to film this between the wind blowing, but it's gonna be hard to do. This is used coffee grounds out of the house with the filters, eggshells, corn on the cob. Just throw it in there. I take this right here. I'm trying, people. Basically, what I'm going to do is spread out the coffee grounds a little bit, finish covering this with cardboard, and soak it down. Pardon what I said. If you're lucky enough to get a big piece like that, slide it. I'm guessing, when I slide the other big piece in from this side, I'm over halfway without cutting anything. That will decay down, and that bed will be ready to go in a couple of weeks.